guys, good morning. Andito pa rin kami ngayon sa hotel. Siyempre kasama pa ng mga babaeng, mga walang pahinga. Walang mga pahinga kasi hindi kami nakatulog ng maayos dahil yung isa naming kasama, ang lakas humilik. Ang lakas humilik guys. Na-stress kami ng bonggang-bongga, 200%. Yun ang stress namin dahil ang lakas talaga humilik. Para kami hindi natulog sa hotel. Diba? So, 2 days na kami ngayon. Pang 2 days namin ngayon dito sa Taichung. Ang gagawin namin ngayon is pupunta naman kami. Our second destination is going to Formosa! Yeah. So, inantay mo namin aking mga kasama dyan. Yung isa, yung isa namin, nag-make up pa. Siyempre ako, normal lang pwesto. Yung pangalawa, ayan, naka-shades na. Yung isa, ayan, nag-dress. Hello? Girl in dressing. Yan, ready na kami guys. So, mga ilang minuto lang, lalabas na kami kasi ang aming driver, na-stress na talaga sa amin kasi Pinoy is Pinoy, time is to time. So sabi niya 8 daw kami malapit na nag-9, so hindi pa kami nakalabas. So, watch later guys at sama kayo sa aming biyahe. So, andito na kami sa labas guys. Kasama ang mga Diyosa ng kapaligiran, Diyosa ng 7-Eleven. So, ang init na, shining is down the stair. So, pumunta na kami sa aming karinderya. So, ayan, isang Diyosa pero ang daming bit-bit. Galing sa palengke. Ang Diyosa na malingke. Dahil may kasama kaming turista, kaya kami may turista na galing sa palengke. Ang daming bit-bit. May dalang kaldero, kutsara at pinggan. Andito na kami guys. Hindi ako makapaniwala. It's a dream come true. Game over. Andito na kami guys sa Formosa. Ang mga kasama kong tulog pag nagbibiyahe. Ayan, gising na. Siyempre sa mayordoma. Yung dressing. So, andito na kami sa Formosan guys. Sa mga hindi alam kung paano pupunta dito, hindi rin namin alam. Ano lang, nakikisakay lang kami. Sa hindi alam kung ilan ang magkanong bayad, 600. Kung meron kayo 600, pwede kayong pumunta. Tumataging-ting ng 600. So, tara, pasok!
But you're not, cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. To the ones here today, toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring hey, here's to the ones that we got off just like an ember, and it's lighting up the dark. I carry these torches for you, that you know I'll never drop, yeah.
All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me you're enough. You can say that I'm a fool and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me you're enough. You can say that I'm a fool and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love.
So, papasok na kami guys sa mga rides nila. Ang una naming sasakyan ay ang
Tayo ay lumipad at maglaro sa ulap. Nais ko lang naman.
So, mag-ice cream muna kami. Wala kaming bilhin pagkain. So, ice cream na lang para tipid.
Oh, Idiki, thank you for the ice cream. So good. Wow, delicious strawberry. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
So, guys, pasok yung mga galit. Yung mga, pasok yung mga, talaga, mga malalakas ang loob. So, guys, pasok ang mga taong malalakas ang loob. Ito yung sakyan nila. First niya sakyan ay UFO. Ayan. So guys, ito sila ang mga sasakyan ng UFO. Naghanda sa sarili. Pinaghandaan talaga nila. Kasi mamaya pagbaba, yung mga karuluwa nila iwan sa taas. Yan, nagpipray mo na sila, nagpulong-pulong. Kung ano ba talaga sasakay o hindi. Ito yung sasakyan nila. UFO. Yan. Guys, nag-isip-isip muna ng maka 10 beses kung talaga sasakay o hindi. Ayan. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Ito yung sakyan nila.
Sa ulap. Nais ko lang naman.
Labas ang mga malalakas ang loob. Dito magkita kung kayo talaga ay babae o lalaki.
Sa bawat sandali.
Ayan na sila guys. Nag-aantay sa next batch. Inaantay yung next batch dahil sila na susunod. Labas! So strong!
Simple lang naman ang aking pangarap. Ang tayo ay lumipad at maglaro sa ulap. Nais ko lang na may makita kang nakangiti. Ang makapiling ka sa bawat sandali. Lahat ay gagawin, lahat ay susuungin. Lahat haharapin, lahat ay kakayanin. Lilipad ako para lang sa'yo. Lilipad ako sa dulo ng mundo.
So, what's the feeling of being right of OFW? WC?
UFO.
Ay!
My God. Lahat ate kaluluwa ko natapon. Ngayon wala na akong energy.
Okay. Ang next namin sasakyan is cable car, guys. Magpalambiti na naman kami.
So Tina, kumusta naman yung experience mo after riding that UFO?
Masakit sa dibdib. Nawala lahat. Pati feelings ko sa kanya, nawala na. Pangalawang rise na natin to. Sa payag ni Mayang. Okay, go. Howla.
outside it's cold. That wild wind, oh man, winter's on a roll. But if you could come a little closer, you could keep me warm, and we could leave our mittens in the drawers. It's a beautiful day to be with you. It's a beautiful day to be with you. Oh, when I see your face, it's true. The skies are bright and blue. It's a beautiful day to be with you. Outside it feels like rain. These old knees, they tell me thunder's on the way. But if you could come a little closer, that's all I would need. April showers become distant memories. It's a beautiful day to be with you. It's a beautiful day to be with you.
Kailangan namin bumalik sa aming pag-rides. Dito kami sasakay sa Smokey Joe's. Smokey Joe's. Sasakay kami ng boat para doon sa kabila.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just make
Hello!
Mukha akong tourista.
Andito kami sa Smokey Joe's. Ay, Smokey Joe dahil sakay kami, magbobotoin kami sa kabilang dako. Tatawid kami.
and I miss you. And now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time went past me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. It's always times like these when I think of you.
sasakyan guys ay eto, ride the boat!
Do you think time would pass us by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you. Right now, I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you. If I can just hold you tonight. Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy.
what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
Let's go.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. 'Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes. Boys blowing up our phones. Drop top and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties. Trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Ain't got a care in the world, but got plenty of beer. Ain't got no money in my pocket, but I'm already here. And now the dudes are lining up, 'cause they hear we got swagger. But we kick them to the curb unless they look like me. 'Cause you're on our toes. Trying on all our clothes. Boys blowing up our phones. Drop top and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties. Trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No.
Songs na kami sasakyan guys! Ito yung maliit na
I'm
boat.
gonna smack him if he getting too drunk. Nah, we go until they kick us out. The police shut us down. Police shut us down. Shut us down. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No.
itsura ng pagkatapos ng Vikings, nawala po yung kaluluwa niya. Oh, hello. Kumusta ka? Are you okay? Yan po yung sinakyan namin, guys. My God.
So, uwi na kami guys dahil maghahapon na, tapos na kami sa aming pag-rides. Pero, hindi namin nasakyan lahat dahil cut off na eh. Cut off na kaya hindi sakyan lahat. Pero, enjoy naman dahil basang-basa kami. Basa sa ulan!
And the memories bring back you.
For watching my video guys. Thank you guys!